Hey, no, estoy sacando video. Hey, thank you. Hey, todavía es Chile, güey, no te preocupes. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Look, there's Josh right there. He wants a video. And look, and there's Jose, the one that don't ever shut his mouth. I'm gonna send this to Bobby so you can see he's working. The things we do to get a job done, right? We're putting this bad boy into a building through the roof. I got this beautiful bean footage. Okay, now we're over the roof. Let me run over here and get it to where we're gonna put it in. See, it wouldn't fit here, so that's where it's going, right there.
Should have two on there.
Yeah, they got two tag lines on there. Oh shit, I don't know.
Hey, I need somebody on the roof. Yeah, I'll go. Where is it?
You gotta jump.
It's up there. Over here to walk on, right? Over here. Yeah, let me go. Yeah, go up there. Damn, Jose, you way too much. No, man, take some weight off.
He said no, mommy. Huh?
Train operators and trucks too.
Hell yeah, we got everybody.
Yeah. I didn't even notice the air conditioner.
Yeah.
I really don't know why. Why did they just tear this building down? They're doing a party building. Hey, you go there? This needs to go here. You need to come over here, Josh. How far is that thing from you, Jose? Man, that's a tight fit right there.
Yeah.
Super tight.
Don't fall off the building, Jose.
Let me know what you like, Greg. Hold that right there. Here we go. Look at that side. your line in here.
You might have to boom down a little bit.
Better watch it. I was in the basket, he flew over my head.
And that's gonna be close.
Real close.
That's gonna be really close, yeah.
So you got like 2 inches to spare.
Yeah, there don't look like 2 inches.
Yeah, we're like a pipe. Oh, we didn't put that in.
We didn't take those 2 inches into consideration.
We can solder that back. Somebody's letting me. I actually thought the leveling up, I didn't know it was going to fix up perfect. I thought if you had to have the mask up a little bit. Professional, right?
Uh-huh. Yeah, there.
Are you moving something? Are you moving something? You need. We'll give you a second. Go ahead. Do your thing. I don't know if we need to or not. Because if we move it, it's going to be like a violent move. Cody. He's moving. He's going to try to move these lines back a little bit.